Morning students, review exercise 6, question 1. Choose the correct option. Part 1 is the value of tangent inverse of 2 in radians is. Let us find. You can find like this. Tangent inverse of 2 multiplied by pi over 180, because you are going to convert it into radians. Use scientific calculator. Enter tangent inverse of 2 multiplied by pi and then divided by 180. Your answer comes to be 1.11. So correct option is D. D is the correct option. Second MCQ. In a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse is 13 units and one of the angles is 30 degrees. The length of the opposite side is. Let us see. Right angle triangle. One of the angles is of 30 degrees. Hypotenuse opposite to 90-degree angle, 13 units. Find the length of opposite side. Opposite to 30 degrees. Opposite side, side opposite to 30 degrees. This one, let it be x. You see, sine of 30 degrees in right angle triangle ABC, sine of 30 degrees is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. So x comes to be 13 times sine of 30 degrees is equal to x. By using scientific calculator, we see 13 multiplied by sine of 30 degrees. The answer comes to be 6.5 units. 6.5 units. So which option is correct? Correct option is A. Third MCQ. A person standing 50 meters away from a building sees the top of the building at an angle of elevation of 45 degrees. Height of the building is. How high the building is? Let us see. This is building. Man is standing 50 meters away. Angle of elevation of the building, top of the building. This is top of the building. This angle of elevation is 45 degrees. In triangle ABC, BC represents building. BC is building. So BC is the height of the building. Let it be X meters. Let the building be X meters high. In right angle, top of the building is C. In right angle triangle ABC, you see tangent of 45 degrees is equal to perpendicular, which is X, over base, which is 50. So height of the building is 50 times tangent of 45 degrees. This is the height of the building X. You see, tangent of 45 degrees is 1. 50 multiplied by 1, 50 ones are 50. So height of the building is 50 meters. Height of the building is 50 meters. Correct option is A. Fourth MCQ, secant square theta minus tangent square theta is equal to what? One of the fundamental identities of trigonometry is tangent square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. You know, this is one of the three fundamental identities of trigonometry. So simplifying it, 1 is equal to secant square theta, transpose tangent square theta to the right hand side, it will become minus tangent square theta. So you see secant square theta minus tangent square theta is equal to 1. So here comes 1. Correct option is B. Fifth MCQ, if sine theta is equal to 3 by 5 and theta is an acute angle that is less than 90 degrees, cosine square theta is equal to what? Let us see. ABC is a right angle triangle and sine theta, you know, sine theta is actually equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Let us find AB. Let it be x units. By Pythagoras theorem, you see 5 square, longest side square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two shorter sides, or you can say hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. This is going to be 25 is equal to x square plus 9, 25 minus 9 is equal to x square. X square is equal to 16. So taking square root of both sides, you see x is equal to 4. So this is x is equal to 4 units. X is equal to 4 units. If x is equal to 4 units, so in right angle triangle ABC, cosine theta, cosine of this angle is equal to base over hypotenuse 5. Squaring both sides, squaring both sides, it becomes cosine square theta is equal to 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. So correct option is C. Sixth MCQ, 5 pi over 24 radians is equal to how many degrees? Let us convert radian into degrees. 5 pi over 24 radian is equal to 5 pi over 24 multiplied by 180 over pi. Pi cancelled by pi. Let us see using calculator. 5 multiplied by 180, then divided by 24. 37.5 degrees. 37.5 degrees. So correct option is B. Seventh MCQ, 292.5 degrees is equal to how many radians? Let us convert degrees into radian. Degree, to convert it into radian, multiply it by pi over 180. Let us see. This is 13 pi over 8. Now we see what is the answer of 13 over 8. It is equal to 1.625. 1.625. So it is equal to 1.625 pi. This much radians. Now you see 13 over 8 is equal to 1.625. This is pi. This much radians. So correct option is D. Eighth MCQ, which is a valid identity? Let us see. First of all, we try A. Cosine of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to what? Pi by 2 means 90 degrees. Cosine of 90 degrees, pi by 2 means 90 degrees when converted into degrees minus theta. And we know that cosine of 90 degrees minus theta is equal to sine theta. Is equal to sine theta. So correct option is A. Correct option is A. Ninth MCQ, sine of 60 degrees is equal to what? We know sine of 60 degrees is equal to square root of 3 by 2. So correct option is D. Now next MCQ is cosine square of 100 pi plus sine square of 100 pi is equal to what? We know that sine square theta plus cosine square theta is equal to 1. So cosine square of 100 pi, here theta is 100 pi, plus sine square of 100 pi, theta is 100 pi. So it will be equal to 1. So the correct option will become A. Correct option is A.